are seeing the skyline in Dallas. Just made it in the telly at the rooftop hotel-y with it. Beautiful view outside. Extravagant views. Living the life. All right, fit of the day. But she's looking good, I ain't gonna lie. See, y'all can't see too much though. Y'all can see me though. All right, we finna go to the mall, check it out, see what's going on there. Where are we at? The Galleria mall? Yeah. All right, so we only got an hour and what?
We don't even have an hour here.
We got an hour in the mall.
Mission.
We got a mission. We gotta find the perfect fit for tonight.
Kind of weird.
I don't like those. Those, yeah. Hey, you look good.
Thank you.
So we just woke up in the telly. Yeah, so we just pulled up to. Nice. I like it. Hispanic spot. Got some good food. Let's check it out. What you got there?
Chicken.
You just throw some cilantro and limes on my steak tacos and call it a day.
Cash prize. Any failure in these games will result in the elimination of one of 456 players.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom, we just hit him. Okay, he's spinning the block, he's spinning the block. Juke, he fell for it, he fell for it. What's he doing right here? Oh my, what? Alright. Oh my, he just,
Good.
okay, should be the last game, right?
Maybe.
Monet. I like this place. All right, so how do you rate this place? 8 out of 10. We are pulling up to the Dave & Buster's as we speak.
Are you for real?
So you ready? So how do you rate that Dave & Buster's?
7.
Last day in the Westin. It's been pretty slight so far. Check out the view, check out the view, check out the view. Oh, I didn't press the button. But did y'all ever know that elevators do not have like a 13? Oh, no, y'all missing the view. There we go, there we go. Oh, look, oh, what? I don't know which view y'all want more, so it's gonna have to switch. I had to make it on top of the rooftop.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
So we finally made it to our last hotel of the vacation. So, MTV house tours, take a look inside. All right, so starting off, we have a beautiful kitchen right here. We got the restroom right here. Here goes kind of like the suite area. You know what I mean? We got the bed over there. Got the little view right there. Little couch area. We finna pop out to, we'll just have to find out.
Because it's up to girlfriend.
Yo, cut that. She finna stay in the hotel. I'm finna take y'all on an adventure. Woke up, it is now Saturday morning. We had a great night last night. It was really fun. We checked out Deep Ellum, Nightlife. It was pretty lit. Now I'm out walking around. Gotta get breakfast, gotta get something to eat. Like, comment, and subscribe so I can come out with better content. I woke up 10:30, got McDonald's. Now we back in the bed, finally getting up.
But at least God is good all the time.
God is good, indeed. The man control your life. Popped out here to see my boy Iklas. Tell him what you doing out here, man.
My bro, you know, we hustling, man. I got the taxes and the cars going. And, you know, I'm mentoring and doing real estate. Me and my bro finna lock in real soon on this shit.
Yes,
no
sir,
cap.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Where can they reach you at?
Shit, reach me on Instagram, Iklas4_.
Leaving Big T Plaza, what do you rate it?
It was alright.
It was alright. Alright, she said a 6. Try this thing. It's nice. The New Year's is upon us. We have about 20 seconds left. I don't know what I want to look at, you or that. So what do you rate the scenery, fireworks show? What do you rate it?
9.
9, okay.
-1.
New year, new us. This is literally how it's looking
Smell
at
like
me.
straight fire.
Like, so low key, Dallas is kind of busted. We walk into our Uber because there is a technical issue with the streets right now in downtown Dallas. Like, they are stuffed.
There's a cop running with a gun, baby. This officer had a gun.
Oh, shit. Hey, they got it going on over here, huh? They talking about don't get shot. It's time to go. We dipping. New Year's Day, we are leaving the hotel as we speak, so Yeah, it was a pretty nice stay. Time for better things. We might stay an extra night, so I'll keep you guys updated. What time is it, baby?
3 p.m.
Happy New Year's. How do you feel about the sun?
It's beaming.
Yeah, it is kind of beaming. I'm trying to therm, but it's... Like, comment, and subscribe, and demand control your life. And also check out Dallas. It's kind of lit. Peace.